How vaccines tested for efficacy and safety. After lots of laboratory work, how do we know that the vaccine is ready to get tested on human, and then how do we know whether it will works? We tested COVID vaccines in clinical trials to ensure that they are safe and effective for getting the license. The first thing is to know that there are many testing before that the vaccines get tested on human. There are long passes development in the laboratory and testing for safety and for protection in animal studies. After we have a vaccine that looks safe and promising, and preventing infection, in the laboratory we'll begin testing on humans. We begin a very structured set of studies called clinical trials. This study has involved healthy volunteers who are told how and why this vaccine is being tested, and about any potential harm. This educational process is called informed consent and goes on before and during the trial. Also, there are some researchers who are collecting information about the benefits and harms of the vaccine on the volunteers. We started where there are called randomized, double-blinded clinical trials, but that means after volunteers involved in the study, a computer randomly decides whether they get the vaccine or whether they get the placebo, which is usually just salt water. We do this to be able to separate side effects that are due to the vaccine from those just happening to people at the community at the same time, like the rate of cold symptoms or headaches, and we double-blinded know who is listening, which is getting which type of infection, that prevent all the volunteers at the staff over and under recording symptoms. We advise participants about everything that is happening to them. Then for testing the vaccine we set 3 phases. In the first stage, the vaccine is tested on a small group, 20 to 80, to see if the new vaccine causes a specific disease in humans and if it harms them. In the second phase, the vaccine is tested on a larger number, several hundred people. Finally, in the third phase, hundreds to several thousand volunteers are tested and work on the side effects of the vaccine. I hope this video has helped you learn how the COVID-19 vaccine is tested for safety and efficacy. Also, thank you for watching.